Yo, what's up? How you doing? I'm in Legian Beach. As you can see, it's beautiful weather and I have this new ride. Okay, today I'm gonna explore the Padma Uttara and Padma and Kuta and many things, especially the Padma and Padma Uttara going to Seminyak area because we have so many requests to show so many places. And today I will drive this thing, which is so helpful for me. But before I gonna start today's vlog, I wanna say a few words about this thing. Thank you so much to Henry, to my German friend, who is the owner of this company, and he involved put these bikes into Indonesia for the first time 4 or 5 years ago, and he lent 2 bikes, one for me, one for Winnie, for 2 weeks, free of charge, so which is very nice of him. Thank you so much, Henry. And this is not any kind of paid endorsement. He didn't pay me for that, or the company, or I'm not gonna get any commission if you would like to buy or rent this, but I would like to show you how it looks, this thing. First of all, the things looks like this. This is the electric kick scooter, specially prepared for the Indonesian market. As you can see, have a suspension, big wheels, brakes, and everything what you need to drive in Bali. Is it fast? It can drive 50 km per hour. One charging battery, 60 kilometers of range. Cost of driving for 100 kilometers is only 4,000 rupiah. Can you imagine that? And what is the most beautiful thing? It is street legal and you don't need to have a driving license to drive this. That's enough for talking about the scooter today. If you have any more questions, just comment below. I will try to answer you. And the company name is Cuties, so I will also put the link in the description. You can check this out, their product. This is the Bali Mandira over there, also very nice. Some people chilling around, not so bad. Bali Azul Beach Club over here, also very nice. Some people around. I will heading now. I wanna show you the corner of the between Legian and Kuta. Yo, what's up? That's how it look. I try to drive very slowly, just like a walking, but at least it's much easier for me. As you know, it's so hot nowadays in Bali. Peanut guy. We will see. But don't worry if you prefer the strolling around the vlogs, walking around. That's everything will come back very soon again. This is just for 2 weeks and this is already second day, so just 12 more days, and not every day I gonna use it anyway. So yeah, that's the corner between the Legian and Kuta over here. Check this out, some police around. That's how it looks, the situation on the beach in Legian. It's still very hot, but it's so kinda empty, unfortunately. This is my ride for today, like I already talked. And this is the Pantai Legian. And the situation around is like this. Loud bikes all the time. All the time loud bikes. That's why I'm so happy to having this one. This one is quiet. Okay, back to the Padma. This is the singer boy. However, I'm not gonna ask him today for sing, or maybe later. And yeah, I wanna show you this beautiful lady. What she was asking me to show her warung. Yes, hello. How are you?
Yes, I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Bayu.
Bayu. Okay, what are you selling? The tea, teh,
Like this.
kerupuk, cookies, coffee. Very nice, very nice. Okay.
Thank you, yeah.
Yeah, thank you. See you next time, yeah?
Alright, bye.
Love me like we say. Love me with yeah, that's good.
You want only the Bali.
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry, yeah.
Yeah, no problem. Good friend, yeah. Oh, see? Very nice, very nice. This is the Padma Legian Hotel, open. And I will show you now the Padma Street and Padma Uttara, which is North Padma Street. I will heading into the Seminyak area, but we'll stay in Legia. Nothing really has changed, except that as I have a cool ride right now. This Poser pub is closed, and I'm heading now to the Y bar. So many people asking me about the Y bar every day. So here we go, guys. Here we go, mates. Because this is obviously Australian bar. So mates. And here we go. Coming now. Nothing really has changed. It's still very quiet. As you can see, nobody inside, which is so sad. This hotel, security, spa. Basically, I'm driving slowly here on the middle of the road, peacefully, and yeah, just chilling and enjoying. Also, I feel much more comfortable driving this thing, because if something danger gonna happen, let's say potentially, I don't think so, but if so, I can just speed up and just run away. But if I gonna walk, it's that completely different game. And now I'm gonna heading into Ibiza in Legian. Also, many people are interested about this place, especially the Shmiglory. 200k per night only. Can you imagine that right now? So cool. That's how it looks like. That's for you guys. And everything here almost is just simply closed. Street food, tattoo shops, everything. I just noticed, I think the quality of this video will be better when driving the motorbike. I'm driving right now like 12 kilometers per hour only, and it's no sound of the engine, only sound of the motor and the tires. As you can see, 12 kilometers per hour. I think this is the future for Bali, especially as it's 9 times more efficient than any other small motorbike. Basically, 100 kilometers and you save our planet 9 times. Even the electric is taking from the coal or any other sources is still 9 times more efficient than driving the gasoline scooter. Anyway, that's how it looks, the situation over here. Well, I don't know, I feel a little bit weird, as you could imagine. Puri Raja Hotel. It's just basically super extremely quiet over here. I can hear myself. Here is some nice... Yo, what's up? Some girls. Yo, what's up, my friend? Yeah. So driving this one, I'm taking a little bit more attention than in walking around, because people are interested what is it. When yesterday we drive in summer, many people ask us about this scooter. Unfortunately, Winnie is not with me today, so she cannot see. This bar is famous for the coffee, but we will do. This is the Romeo's. Situation looks like this. Some guy over here driving around. That's how it looks, situation in North Padma Street, Padma Uttara, Beach Melasti apartments, Coco Mars, everything's closed. I'm driving right now only 10 km per hour, which is the speed of walking nearly. This is the Away, Legian by Chamakila. Hello! And also that's how it looks, the situation. Even if the hotels are open, they are not so busy. Fat Buddha Legian, this is also famous place. That's how it looks. Oh, Jimmy! Huh. Nice, funny doggo. Yo, what's up, my friend? I don't know what kind of dogs is this. This is the Zest Legian by Swiss Bell, 235k per night, open, and I think seems quiet. Okay, going straight now to the other street. Yo, what's up?
Welcome, Bali.
Welcome to Bali. And Jakarta, Bali. Obviously, I just realize right now, as driving this thing, what I drive right now, everybody are treating me as the tourist, as newcomer, as I come to Bali yesterday, which is actually also super cool. And I'm heading now to Jalan Arjuna, but in general, the life here is so quiet, guys. I don't know what should I say. It's just so literally quiet. So sad. Puridamai hotel. Just realized as I'm lucky as I driving this and I'm not walking, because here is literally so quiet. But it's good for update. Many of you are familiar with this area and you know this every corner of the street, the place, tattoo shop, like here, like this one. In general, that's how it looks. And now I'm just at the corner of the, I think this is Jalan Arjuna over here. So we will see how is the life. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Still not so bad. Oh, what's up, my friend?
Good.
Alright, so I just passing the restaurant over here, Legian Corner, many times. The staff already know me, say hi. How are you, my friend? Any changes in Bali?
All good, so but still quiet now.
Still quiet?
Still quiet.
Nothing has changed?
Not yet. Not yet.
So
I hope soon, I hope soon.
I hope so soon, yeah. Okay, my friend, I will go more, okay? See you next time, yeah?
Catch up.
Check this out, these kids. They just stop playing when I start making a video. So sad. However, I'm in the corner between Jalan Arjuna, Legian Street and Jalan... Hello, how are you? Here we go, I found the kids again in Seminyak. That's at the end of the video. Yo, what's up? So cool. Always happy kids in Bali. And quickly I'm gonna show you how it looks live in Padma Legian during the sunset. Some warungs over here as you see, and some people chilling around, and the beautiful sunset in Legian today. Check this out, it's so cool. As you can see, beautiful vibes. I could say it's quite more people in Legian beach right now. Over there is the Minyak, obviously. And it's perfect timing because it's just the sunset. We're gonna go to the beach. Like I said, it's very low tide today, but the sunset looks just spectacular, amazing, especially with this wet sand over here. Sunset is one of the most beautiful sunsets in the world. They are in Bali, and I kinda have to agree with that. Check this out. Surfers, people chilling around. Very nice indeed. Very nice weather today to compare to the I don't know why whenever I'm here right now in Padma I always remember the day when I walked here when it was so rainy, but it's so beautiful right now. Okay guys, as you can see, it's beautiful vibe, beautiful sunset in Bali today. I would like to say just thank you for watching. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog, and yeah, see you tomorrow, like always, something new. See ya, take care.